Hello Aquarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am Himali Narsian, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist, bringing you your weekly energies through tarot cards for the week of 14 January to the 21st of January 2021. Let's quickly look at what your energies are for this week, Aquarians. You've got the Star and Five of Cups, which is brilliant. Star here indicates that there could be a lot of spirituality associated with you this week. There could be a wish fulfillment, anything that you've been walking away from because you have faced a disappointment in. There will be a cosmic relief coming to you for that. There will be a lot of inspiration that will be, you will be inspiration struck this week, and that is something that is going to be the turning point for you. Look out for a Capricorn or an Aquarius to help you out. You can also be helped out by a Virgo or someone who is Mercury ruled, or a Gemini as well. On the love front, you've got Temperance and the Knight of Pentacles. Even though you may see the person moving very, very slow, very, very patiently towards you, you may almost think that there is no progress in your love life. Believe me, there is temperance in your love life. There is a balance. There is a reconciliation, if that is what you've been waiting for. There is a reconciliation coming your way, but with a lot of harmony and a lot of happiness this time. If this is something that you want, this is a testing time for you. Do not deviate from what you exactly want, because this is absolutely coming for you, Aquarius. On your work life, we've got Four of Cups and Ten of Cups. Four of Cups indicates that you could be having an opportunity, but you aren't taking it because you are feeling already very, very fulfilled. Ten of Cups here indicates that you could be getting whatever you want. You have everything. You are just having a fun time with your current success, and Four of Cups could be a new opportunity that you're just ignoring in pursuit of all this, because I don't see that you even realize you have an opportunity coming your way, which is brilliant, to be honest. Aquarians, you need to be a little more present, in the moment. You need to be a little more present in the moment, because I see you actually deviating a lot towards your love life, and your work life is actually suffering because of this. On to your health, we've got Eight of Swords, restrictions, imprisonment. Queen of Swords here again indicates issues related to ovaries and all your reproductive systems. Eight of Swords here can indicate Eight of Swords here can indicate a situation where you could have congestion in the lungs. You could have issues related to insecurities and social dilemmas. This could be very, very evident. It could also indicate infections. So be very careful what you eat, what you drink, waterborne infections, and airborne as well. The message for you from the Moonology deck is you are good enough. So no need to have any social issues, Aquarians. The lucky color for you is cherry. The lucky number for you is 9. Live an extraordinary life. Like my Aquarians, being so happy and so open-minded, you have to do that. Aquarians, for your reproductive issues, I would want you to keep a carnelian, 5 to 6 of these, or you can have a carnelian tree by your bedside, because that is something that's going to help you a lot by balancing out your sacral chakra. So Aquarius, this was your weekly reading. I'd like to wish you a very happy kite flying festival. Happy Makar Sankranti to everybody who is celebrating this. To others of you, I hope this new year brings you a lot of happiness, and it has been amazing for you so far. Please write to me in the comment section below so that I know what you have been up to, and I really look forward to reading your comments and replying back to them. Until I do the next reading, stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.